Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Hope you're having a great day today, guys. I'm back. Okay, want to show you my setup for direct mail. Okay, do me a favor, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and click that notification bell. And for my subscribers, welcome back. Thanks for watching the video, guys. All right, guys, this is the setup I've got right here. As you can see, and I've got stamps on these. I'm still putting them together, but if you're interested in direct mail and mailing letters, that's my envelope. And then this is my Fire Your Boss postcard for Press One Cash. If you don't know what Press One Cash is, I'll put the link below. Check it out. You can mail this postcard and earn $200 per sale simply sharing a phone number. Okay? This particular program is for impact mailing. I'm using that particular that particular envelope. Okay, so if you're interested in making money sending out letters, you can make $65 to $1,000 for selling leads. That's all we do is we sell leads. Okay, lead packages, membership lead packages. Okay, this one is a postcard program called the Postcard Tycoon. You make $300 per sale. All you have to do is mail this postcard. This program comes with 250 postcards just like this and 250 leads, names and addresses of people for you to mail this postcard to. Okay? On every 5th sale, the company is going to send you 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps on every 5th sale. Okay? 300 per sale, guys. That's some great commission. Okay, so that's what's included. This one comes with leads. Impact Mailing Club does include leads and a cover letter. You join my team, I'll give you a custom cover letter with your picture, and we will have a sales funnel for you if you're interested in doing this online. Okay, so this is the setup. Okay, the Tycoon, Press One Cash, the postcard I have there, Fire Your Boss. And then you can mail letters with Impact Mailing Club and get that envelope that I have, okay? Not to mention all the marketing resources that my team and we have, okay? So, simple, but what you need to do is remain consistent. If you do these mailings consistently, the sales will come. Do not focus on the money. Focus on just getting the mailings out, getting your letters or postcards in as many mailboxes as you can. Okay, the Tycoon comes with a website, so that's great. You can share your link. Press One Cash comes with a website, so you can share your link or share your phone number. I have that phone number blocked because I have a new number just for my postcard campaign for this postcard. It's not the number that you'll see below. It's another number for people offline, okay? But a great way to make some income, guys, where you don't have to fight with online marketing and all the techniques and all those things. Just simply mail, okay? Just be consistent with it. You need consistency in anything, but this keeps it simple. You can still work and just go home, put your labels and stamps on your cards or your envelopes and mail them out, okay? All right, guys, if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. But check out those links first. Write down your questions, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. But these are some great programs to get started into with direct mail. Okay, see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell to get notified every time I upload new videos. All right, call that number. Check it out. Tycoon. See you on the next one.